The next flag we are going to be talking about is the Royal Standard Flag. You may be confused to know that besides the satire flag in Scotland, there is another very different flag the Scots affiliate with. The flag is called the Royal Standard Flag, also known as the Lion Rampant. The Lion flag is the unofficial flag of Scotland and is referred to as the Royal Flag of Scotland. According to author Susan Koronke, the royal term applies because this flag historically and legally belongs to the monarchy or royalty, more specifically to a king or queen of Scotland. There has not been a Scottish king or queen of Scotland since the 17th century, so it belongs to Queen Elizabeth II. It is definitely more colorful and more dramatic than the satire flag, and because of this, I believe people remember it more. Koronke writes, the term lion rampant refers to the positioning or attitude of the lion. A rampant lion is shown as a profile of a lion standing upright, on one or both hind legs, and the forelegs are raised, claws unsheathed, as if to strike. Because Scotland has a rich battle-shrew history, this is the perfect flag for the country and the country's pride. Some history about this flag. According to David Prothero, William, who succeeded his father, Malcolm IV, in 1165, was known as William the Lion, but there is no positive evidence that the lion rampant had become the arms of dominion of Scotland before 1222, when it appeared in the seal of his son, Alexander II. Some historians believe that the first time really seeing this flag dated back to the time of William the Lion, but nobody really knows. At this time, the flag could have been called the Lion of Bravery. Later in the 12th century, it is used by King Richard I of England, aka Richard the Lionheart, in the 12th century. Before the lion symbol, the Scots used a dragon symbol as their royal standard. This was used by King David I during battle as early as 1138. And how it's used today. Let's scroll down a bit. So today the flag is only to be flown by a monarch, nobody else. It is traditionally flown at a royal residence when the Queen is not in residence. It is also flown by 3 other officials: Lord High Commissioner to the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland, the Lord Lion King of Arms, and the Royal Regiment of Scotland. Susan also states that, according to the Act of Parliament passed in 1672, it is an offense for any private citizen or corporate body to fly or wave this flag, so they're not part of the everyday Scottish scenery. And just a little fun fact about them. Although not to be flown by the public, you will generally see them in the hands of sports fans at national or international football and rugby games. King George V gave permission lion rampant flags to be waved during the Silver Jubilee celebrations in 1935, but if you wish to fly one on a flagpole or building, you will need to get special permission. And if we scroll down a bit further, you can see a picture of this flag right here. And then this is just a picture of it flown at one of the athlete games.